welcome back to Play It. This is the first video of a 3-part series. In this video, we'll show you a very easy rhythm to play just with your hands. This rhythm is really easy. You need to put your hands together and rub them twice and stop. Like when you wash your hands. Wash, wash, stop. Wash, wash, stop. I will show you now how it works. You will practice the rhythm once and then you will do it with the rest of the instruments.
So now I'm going to ask you to play all the way till the end without losing your focus. Pause the video here if you need more time.
Thanks for watching till the end. I hope you had enjoyed this exercise. Stay tuned for more music-related content. Bye!